and environment. So our presence here speaks to that pillar of climate change and environment. If we don't do anything about our climate, we shall perish, and our children will have nowhere to live. The governor has specifically talked about eucalyptus trees. We have NEMA people around here. You have all the specialists, and they will tell you that one eucalyptus tree consumes a lot of water. So while you value it for timber, but you must also be concerned that it drinks more water than yourself. So as a result of that, you need to adjust and start planting trees that can conserve water. Water is the main thing. If we don't deal with this problem now, water is going to be a major security problem in this country and this region. Because as it becomes scarce, a lot of communities will converge over it. If they don't agree about distribution, they will fight and hurt each other. This is what we are trying to avoid, and this is why we are here. Ladies and gentlemen, you cannot overemphasize the importance of trees in our lives. If you hear about the Sahara Desert, the Kalahari Desert in the southern part of Africa, many years ago, there were forests. But because of human activity, they have become deserts. If you think what we are doing is a joke, look at the Sahara. Once a forest, now bare. For the requests that were made here, Bwana Governor, on the gazettement of the sections of the hill that are endangered, you also know what to do. I think there are some initiatives you are doing here that may not have been done by other counties. So what you really need to do, using the strong arm of the Council of Governors, you can all agree that this is the approach you want to take in terms of environment, in terms of eucalyptus. And once you take that, you know Senate protects your interests. And the Senate can do the legislation on that. And if there are some legislations that
time when our county joins the rest of the counties in all Kenyan to plant trees with the aim of achieving the national target of up to 15 billion tree cover. I'm proud that Kisii County is among the few counties with a forest cover of 10%, where have achieved a forest cover of 15%, while our tree cover is 26.6%. Congratulations to the people of Kisii. This season, as a county, we have been given a target of 100,000 seedlings to be planted during this launch and the prevailing rains. We have already overachieved the target by distributing for planting 102,000 trees seedlings for various varieties as follows: Nsaria, 2,500 seedlings; Nyangweta, 7,500 seedlings; in other sub-counties, 92,000 seedlings. And the wetlands are as follows: Nyangweta, Litumbe, Ndonyo, Ngeri, and the Basi Masige Forest, Nsaria Forest Block, and Trago Wetland, among others. This will ensure the forest communities, the people of Kisii and Kenyans at large, enjoy benefits that accrue from forest conservation, including ecotourism, beekeeping, increased rainfall, among others. We want to plant at least 30 trees during this rain season. But while at it, I call upon our people to avoid planting the blue gum tree on the water catchment area and on riparian land. It's my appeal that we should equally remove the water sapping blue gum trees that are already growing on the wetland and replace them